So, I got a new camera. This is the Eumig C16, a 16mm motion picture film camera built in 1956. This is a fully mechanical camera requiring you to wind the camera up before pressing the shutter button. This camera is zone focused, meaning you have to measure the distance between the camera and the subject you want to shoot. Shooting at 24 frames per second, it'll give you around 3 minutes of footage with a 100-foot film roll, but I don't want to get too into depth right now. I will definitely be doing more videos about the camera in the future. This was my first time shooting 16mm film, and I didn't even know if the camera would work when I bought it, but I took a chance and took it out into the world, did some test footage shooting, and these were some of the results. Let me know what you think.